Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Matt Collins with eXp Realty, along with Taylor Perry from Van Dyke Mortgage. Today, we're going to talk about how not to be homeless in today's market. We kind of make light of it, but it really is a thing, right? So we want to move, and we know we need to sell before we can buy. But how do we do that in such a highly charged market? Well, today Taylor's going to talk about some of the details to help make that happen for you.
So realistically, there's a lot that goes into it. I mean, it's not even something that everybody can qualify for. But here's the gist: is the biggest reason most people can't buy before they sell is their current mortgage payment.
Okay.
Also, because they need the equity from their house to use as down payment. So what if we can give you the equity from your house and manipulate your current mortgage payment to make it a heck of a lot less?
Gotcha.
That moves the needle for us, or moves the meter, so to speak, to kind of get you your cake so you can eat it too.
Okay.
So ideally what we do is we take that, we build a new loan for you to be able to purchase your next house, and then once you move in, you sell the old house.
Now, how does it come with, how do we work with a kind of appraisal value? So if we look, historically real estate appreciates between 3 and 4 points a year. But now these last 2 years, some of my buyers have appreciated in double digits just in the last 12 months.
Yeah.
So are you saying that our buyers might have more equity built into their current house than what they think?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, that's great.
Yeah.
Well, guys, so that just gives you kind of a glimpse of how we can accomplish this. So again, with the market being so competitive, it is absolutely worth taking the time to find out, is this the right loan for us? Is this what enables us to buy our dream home before we list our current house? Because we know we're going to get your current house sold in no time at all. So if you have any questions, please, everybody's contact information is below. Please reach out and let's see if we can make this happen for you. If you liked what you heard, please like and subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. Have a great day.